Good day. It is September 5th, 2018. Thank you for coming by and watching this YouTube video. Today's an important day. It's important because after waiting for our short-term sentinels, which define the line of least resistance, to start a new trend, they have done so today at 12 o'clock noon New York time. They went to a sell signal. The line of least resistance now is down. We are shorting the market. We've already started today, but we wanted to put this out on YouTube so you'd understand that this is it. This is why. Just to go through briefly the 7 elements. The McClellan oscillator for the New York Stock Exchange is in downtrend. That's element number 1. The McClellan summation index for the New York Stock Exchange is in downtrend. That's element number 2. The McClellan oscillator for the NASDAQ is in downtrend. That's 3 elements down. The McClellan summation for the NASDAQ is down. That is 4 elements down. The inverse VIX, SVXY, is in downtrend. That's 5 elements in downtrend. The Vixen, which is equivalent of VIX, but for the NASDAQ, is in downtrend. That is 6 elements that are signaling down. The 7th fell into place at noon today, New York time, as BP Comp dropped into sell or downtrend. That's 7 elements down, 0 up. A new line of least resistance began today at noon, and that line of least resistance is down. We believe this to be a very, very important signal that has developed today, and it's going to have major consequences, and it's going to be, we believe, a big moneymaker for traders that know how to trade a declining market. So that's it. That's what we wanted to tell you today. We thank you for coming by and alerting yourself or becoming aware of this 7 Sentinel sell signal that occurred at noon today. If you go to the 7 Sentinels website, you'll find at the bottom of the page a number of articles there that I think you're going to find very instructional, informative, and helpful to serious traders. There's also a limited time trial. If you click on that link for $9.95, you can have everything that's on 7 Sentinels for the next 14 days. You can find out specifically what we're doing today, which ETFs we bought today and what percentages and how we're treating this. I'm going to say one more thing before we go, and that is, if you watch Twitter today, watch for our tweets. We will tweet out today also, as we do here, where we show the internals. You've probably seen these posts before. We're going to tell you when we have a very short-term signal today. When we do, that is when we're going to enter puts. We're going to be buying puts on SPY and on QQQ. We're buying the September 21st puts, strike prices 289 and 185 respectively, and we're also shorting the SPOO, the Standard & Poor's September futures. So that's it. Thank you very much for coming by, and watch for that signal later today, and good trading.